Welcome back to Muscle Car Central's YouTube channel. I'm Ben Tuck with Camaro and Firebird Central. I've got Jerry Fry with me. We're in our garage. We're going to talk about Steele Rubber. This is a USA made rubber. It's fairly new to our offerings, and I tell you what, we put it on the website and people are buying it. So we chose, let's use it on this car we're building. It's a little bit different than the other stuff we've been selling. It almost has a skin like latex. It's 100% USA made, EPDM rubber. I mean, it's super soft, spongy. Jerry, you said you built a Corvette and you use this.
Yeah, I use this any chance I get. I've been using it for years, long before I came to Camaro Central. Matter of fact, I've had glass installers that would use nothing but steel rubber gaskets for their installs on their windshields and rear windows, and it would not show up at my shop unless I already had it or they brought it with them. You want to make sure you have a clean surface with a good wax and grease remover, and just wipe down the area that you're going to be applying the rubber to. Wipe the rubber down itself just to get any manufacturing residue off and let it dry. It won't take long to dry. We're also going to be using a 3M adhesive. It's our part number is CNV-70, and we'll use it in between the studs that the Steele Rubber has provided for us to attach it to the door. There's nothing to it. We'll just go ahead and start. I always start at the top here and go ahead and attach a couple of your screws in just to keep it from flopping around. And I would usually start the first hole, and then you can come back and you can apply your adhesive, very small amount, and I wouldn't go all the way down. I'd go 2 or 3 runs at a time, sections at a time. Put some on the rubber itself and just a little bit of a bead in between the holes on the door itself, and then you can continue. I mean, it's that simple. Steel Rubber has got you covered. You'll just continue all the way around the door in the same manner. Use the same wax and grease remover to clean up any of the excess black residue that you may have gotten on your door, so it's not exposed once you have a finished product, and you're sealed.
Alrighty guys, that was cool. We learned about a new product that Camaro and Firebird Central is offering, Steele Rubber Products. It's not only steel is their name, but legitimately has steel in the ends. They made their own tooling for all these. All the molded ends have a steel mounting point, not plastic like some of the competitors. It's a great product. The quarter window rubber, we haven't had the chance to put it in yet, but we have sold a ton of these and we're excited to use them. They legit have steel. Trunk seal, we talked about that. It's a good product. You can shop online, CamaroCentral.com, FirebirdCentral.com, or MuscleCarCentral.com for all your steel rubber needs. Remember, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like our page. Thank you guys.